just my bird has run to that building. What a naughty bird. Come back, you little, come back to my house and go to the cage. Come here, you little bird. Look, the others are sad. Their mother or father are sad because their daughter has escaped. Bye bye, see you tomorrow. Bye.